Hi guys, welcome back to the Jamaican Minute. Now today we're going to give an update on the electric vehicles coming into Jamaica. So currently as it is today, you can't bring in electric vehicles because the laws in Jamaica don't allow for electric vehicles to be used. But the government, realizing this and realizing that electric vehicles are the way of the future, are changing the law to accommodate the vehicles. So the electric mobility policy is being worked on. Cabinet has approved it, and that policy will allow persons to bring in electric cars, and it should be implemented by the end of this month, June. So you can now, after it's put in, hopefully by the end of June, you can now start to bring in electric vehicles into Jamaica. And the law was one part, and the second part was you needed charging stations. So a lot of gas stations around the country have put in charging stations. So the infrastructure is actually has been put in already. So once and cabinet has approved it, so it's just a matter of time, and then you can start bringing in the vehicles. Now the government is going one step further and giving a 10% duty concession to persons that are bringing in the electric cars. So you're going to pay electric cars are more expensive, but they are the way of the future. So the government is giving you a concession on the duty that you would pay. So you would pay less duty and bring in the car. It's an incentive for persons to stop and think and say, okay, let me look at the cost of an electric car because it's going to be less duty I'm going to pay to bring it in. Now in Jamaica, every car that comes in, you have to pay duty on it. Depending on the type of the car or the engine, the duty varies. So that's very good that the government is giving a concession to electric cars. Now, another thing the government said is you cannot bring in an electric car that's more than 3 years old, because they don't want the old cars flooding the market. I guess they want the newer, more efficient cars. So I must say the government has done an excellent job in getting Jamaica ready for these cars to come in. And I'm not sure. I don't think they're, well, they are, the cars can be, some of them are hybrid, so you can have electric and gas. So I'm not sure if any are actually in the country, because maybe you could bring them in as the hybrids could probably come in because they would use the regular gas. But the straight electric cars, those can come in now when this policy goes into effect. So I must say, job well done by the government, and hopefully the cars will start coming in. I'm sure they will, because we have almost every kind of car in Jamaica, so they'll start coming in soon. Alright guys, so that was an update on the electric cars. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Before we go, we're going to show you what one of the charging stations look like. So we're going to go to a gas station and show you what the charging station looks like. Now I'm assuming you're going to have to pay to charge it. I can't imagine you're going to charge a car for free, but let's wait and see. Alright guys, we're going to look at what the charging stations look like for these electric cars. So we are in Manor Park. This is a total in Manor Park, and here it is. This is what the charging station looks like. Now a lot of persons mix it up with the air pump, but that's what it looks like. And remember, some of these cars are hybrid, meaning they can use both electricity and gas. So you have to love the technology. Can you imagine? Just, you know what the gas prices are like in Jamaica. Highest they have ever been. And can you imagine if you had a car you could drive 24 hours a day and don't have to use gas? Oh my God. What a thing that would be. We know what gas, because we are on the road a lot making these videos and doing other things, so trust me, we know what the gas price is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.